Hello, dear listeners. You're welcome to FX Pre today again. I want to share with ourselves this another strategy, and this particularly has to do with the volatility 75 index. How to trade it successfully with indicators that will give you signal when to enter and when to exit the trade. So precisely today we want to use M30, that is 30 minutes time frame, and the zoom level is going to be zoom level 3. You zoom in 3 times. That is when you what? You have a clear view of what you are going to trade. And also I have some tips for you. The tips are when you are trading this particular instrument, we have some rules in order to have a successful trading as pertaining this particular instrument. So what happened is you see in the setup. Okay, before I progress, let me go to the indicators to use. As usual, you go to F icon at the top of the screen, you tap it, and you have, let's presume that you don't have anything there. You go to main chart, then the plus icon there, you tap it. When you tap it, it will give you the indicators. So you scroll down to envelope. When you get to envelope, then you look for the settings by tapping envelope. When you tap envelope, it brings this particular page. So here we have the parameters, and the period is 14, shift 0, deviation 0.100, simple close, then upper band. We have 3 pixel, which is color purple, and lower band 3 pixel color red. Then you click on done by the top right hand side. You have it there, as you can see on the screen. This particular one, that is the envelopes. Then after that, you go for the second one, tap F again. Then this time around, you want to create another window. So you go to main, the F icon. When you tap it, scroll down the indicators and look for stochastic oscillator. When you see it, you what? You click on it. Then you have these parameters. K period 1, D period 2, slowing 1, D period 1, slowing 1, low high simple, 1 pixel for main, then color white because my background is white. If your background is black, kindly pick a black as well. And the signal 1 pixel white as well. The levels, we have 80 to be our sell level. We have 50 as TP for those people with a small account like 10, 20, and so on. It's not even advisable for 10. So let me say 20 upward. Then if you have 100 plus, then you can exceed level 50 as your TP. But if it is 20, once the trade gets to the indicator, when it gets to 50, that is your TP. You exit the trade, close the trade with profit. So level 20 is buy. So this side here is 1 pixel with black color. Then click arrow back, done. You can see you have the stochastic configuration there with the levels as I said. Then the last one, F again. Then tap on F plus in front of indicator window 1. Then you scroll down to RSI. When you get to RSI, tap it. Then you have these parameters. Period 8, apply to close, style 4 pixel, purple color, and the level, no levels. So you click on done. When you tap on done, you can see the color appearing there. Yes, that is it. So we are set with all this, and we need to trade it now. So the tips are always allow the lines of the envelopes to cross each other at the buy and sell level point on the stochastic. So also on the main chart, allow the lines to cross. Allow the lines to cross. When you look at this particular one, this is a good sell here, but we are not going to enter immediately there. We need to wait for confirmation to be able to be sure that we are to what? We are to enter. So for you to enter this cell that I circled now, what you need to do is wait until you have this. Can you see that? That is your entry point. Because already here we have the words, the envelopes crossing each other. So wait at the closure of the candle above the cross over there. I mean below, sorry, below it. So that is where the arrow points at. That is your entry. You enter there. So when you enter there, then you can see from there you have this. You can have this. But do not forget, when you enter there, as I said, your TP is going to be level 50 here. That is your TP. You can see it's very minimal. You have to take it that way. Don't be greedy. But if you have accounts over 100, then you can take your profit right here, level 20, as I said earlier. That is for sell. All right. So if you want to buy as well, you discover that here we have the buy entry there, but we are not going to enter there because we have not gotten any confirmation. This is where you have the confirmation. See the crossover here. Can you see that? Then you wait at the close of the candle above the, if it is sell, below, above is for buy. So you wait for this particular area here. You can see that is where you have your entry. All right, your entry there. I didn't remember to tell you the set loss for the previous okay, let me explain this first. So once you enter at this arrow here, your set loss will be here. You can see that. That is where your set loss will be. So you can see the trade, I mean the buy up to this level. So if you buy at this particular level here, as where it confirms, then when it gets to 50, you take your profit for small accounts. But if you have big accounts, allow it to go until level 80. That is how you trade this. I hope this is clear. Now let's look for another opportunity, another buy, another sell opportunity. Right here, we have it touching level 20, but we cannot enter immediately. We need to wait for confirmation. And that is here you enter. As you can see that retraces, but better still, you enter it here. You enter at the close of this candle. That is where you enter. Then you have the little, it retraces, then go back up there. So that is not actually cool. Let me look for another one, very good one here. You can see here that it picks the buy there, and from here, but we need confirmation, and the confirmation is the close of the candle above it as a buy. That is somewhere here. You can see the green candle there. So when you enter there, it retraces with the red candle and later picks again and go all the way up. So small accounts, as I normally say, when you get to this place, take your profits, and big account you can go further. Look at how much money. Then one more instance again before we end the video. This is a massive sell, a massive sell. Keep selling, selling, selling. This is the points. Actually not that place, but that is where it begins. So look at this point here, not ripe at all, not up to 80, but we have the confirmation right here, confirmation there. Then it comes down like this, it comes down, look at, it retraces here, that is correction, then back down here again, back down, look at, look at, look at, until this place, until this place. That cell ends there. So that is how to use this particular strategy successfully. That is how to use. Look at another buy here, not up to level 20, but we have a confirmation there. We have a confirmation there. So not advisable. Yes, this one is a bit okay. See the level here, level here. It starts there, but the confirmation at the end of the candle, the close of the candle there, you can see. So after that, you have the long journey. You can see you have journey, the long journey up there. Look at how much money. So any small account take the profit here, level 50. Then if you have more than 100, you go ahead. So that is how to use this particular strategy profitably. Always make sure that you follow the, and don't forget, you set your loss below the previous retracement candle. Let's assume you enter here. This is where the trend begins. Then we have the confirmation here. I hope you are getting it. Confirmation there. So your set loss somewhere here. That is SL. Your set loss somewhere there. You can see even if it retraces, it doesn't get to that point. So that is the end of the video today. Subscribe as I usually say. Share the link, share the page, comment, like as well, and you'll be notified for more videos to come. I wish you a successful trading life.